Good morning, students. Welcome to the geography class of class 7th. We were doing lesson number 5 of your book. The lesson name is Industries. Topics to be discussed in this lesson are number 1, its introduction, number 2, factors affecting the location of an industry, number 3, classification of industries, number 4, major industries of the world. Number 5. Industrial pollution and its prevention. Let's discuss the new words of the chapter. Number 1. Mineral based industries. The industries that use mineral ores as their raw material. Number 2. Agro based industry. The industry that use agricultural products as their raw material. Number 3. Large-scale industry. The industry which employ a large number of employees and has huge capital investment. Number 4. Small-scale industry. The industries which employ a small number of laborers and has a capital investment of less than 20 lakh rupees. Number 5. Cottage industry. The industry which is run by an artisan and his family members in his own house. Number 6. Employees. It means workers who are paid for their work. Number 7. Laborers means workers. Number 8. Artisans. These are artists or a person who is highly skilled in art. Before starting with today's topic, let us recall the cross questions of previous day topic. Number 1. What are industries? Number 2. Define natural resources. Number 3. What are the factors which affect location of an industry? Number 4. Why water is an important factor for setup of an industry? Number 5. Where the Industrial Revolution initially took place. Students, you have to take out page number 56. Classification of industries. Industries can be categorized on the basis of their size, raw material, ownership, and nature of products. In this chapter, industries are classified on the basis of raw material and on the basis of size. On the basis of raw material, there are two types of industries. Number 1, mineral based industry. Number 2, agro based industries. And on the basis of size, there are three types of industries. Number 1, large scale industry. Number 2, small scale industry. Number 3, cottage industry. Let's discuss industries on the basis of raw material. Number 1, mineral based industry. The industries that use mineral ores as their raw material are called the mineral based industries. The product of these industries feed other industries. It means final product of these industries act as raw material for other mineral based industries. Iron made from iron ore is the product of mineral based industry. Iron and steel, shipbuilding, etc. are the examples of mineral based industries. Number 2. Agro based industry. The industry that is dependent on agricultural or animal products as their raw materials is called the agro based industry. Sugar industry, cotton textile, dairy products, leather industry, etc. are the examples of agro based industries. Now, industries are classified on the basis of size. Number 1, large scale industry. Number 2, small scale industry. Number 3, cottage industry. Let's discuss them one by one. Large scale industry. The industries which employ a large number of employees and has huge capital investment are called large-scale industries. Example, iron and steel industry, cotton or jute textiles. Number 2. Small-scale industry. Small-scale industries are those industries which employ a small number of laborers. By the word laborers, we mean workers, and has a capital investment of less than 20 lakh rupees. For example, silk weaving. Next is cottage industry. Industries where skilled craftsmen and artisans work by hand in a specialized manner are termed as cottage industry. These industries are run by artisans and their family members in their own house. Carpets, sarees, decorative items are some of the important products of cottage industry. In cottage industry, a small number of persons are employed in producing these handicrafts. It mostly involves the member of the family. Only simple tools are used, no mechanical power is used in cottage industry. Usually, this industry is set up in their own houses. Major industries of the world. This table shows the major industries of the world along with their worldwide distribution. Facts of iron and steel industry. Number 1. It is a mineral based industry. Number 2. It is the backbone of other industries. Number 3. It is known as the basic industry. Number 4. It is mainly distributed in North America, Europe, and Asia. Number 2. Cotton textile industry. It is an agro-based industry. Number 2. It is a labor-intensive industry. By the word labor-intensive, we mean an industry that requires a large amount of labor to produce its goods and services. Number 3. India, China, USA, Pakistan, Egypt, etc. are the countries famous for cotton textile industries. Next is information technology. It is the fastest growing sector of the world. Why it is the fastest growing sector of the world? As telecom, banking, manufacturing, as well as business processes take services from the IT sector. That is why this industry is the fastest growing sector of the world. North America, Europe, Japan, China, etc. are the leading countries of the IT industries. Next is sugar industry. Sugar is used in every part of the world. Sugar industry is famous for its universal demand. Cuba, Brazil, India, Indonesia, USA, China, etc. are the countries known for the sugar industry. Cuba is known as the sugar bowl of the world. Next is shipbuilding industry. It is an old industry. It is mineral based industry. Japan, UK, USA, Germany, Sweden, Netherlands, Russia are the countries famous for the ship industry. Next is fishing industry. It is small scale industry. It deals with all the activities concerned with the selling of fish or fish products. China, Peru, Japan, USA, Russia, India, Norway, etc. are the main countries known for the fishing industry. Next is automobile industry. This is mineral based industry. This industry was initially started in Western Europe, USA, West Germany, UK, France, Japan, Italy, Russia are the important automobile centers of the world. Students, these were the major industries of the world. Today, we have to discuss till here only. Thank you and have a nice day.